Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Slaybyciara. So today I'm coming to you guys with a quick install video on how to install wigs for low hairlines on the side. So if you want to see, continue to watch. So this is the wig that I will be installing. It's a kinky straight wig from Wiglogic. And the hair feels so soft, you guys. Like, I love the texture of this hair. Just everything about it is super nice. But anyway, let me show you more of the wig. So it comes with 3 combs up front. It has an elastic band, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps as well. For me, I ended up cutting off the elastic band and the combs up top because I don't use the combs up front, so they just weren't necessary, and the cap was too tight for my head. So after I cut off the elastic band, it fit a lot better on my head, so I was able to work with it better. So that's the tip for sometimes if caps are a little too tight, just cut off the elastic band and it should work for you. So now I want to show you guys there. As you see, my edges are like showing through, like in front of the hairline of the wig, and it's on both sides. So I want to show you how to install basically around your edges if you have like lower edges on the side. So I'm just going to cut the cap off like normal. I'm not going to leave any extra lace out. I'm literally just going to cut where the hairline is. Just be careful when you're cutting around your actual edges, since I don't have them like slicked down into the cap. So just make sure about that you don't cut your actual hair when you're cutting off the cap. If you want to, the lace, if you want to just take it off your head so you can be more careful, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you see, like, I have the lace cut off on the sides. Like, you can literally see that my edges are still sticking out. And if I had put like the cap over my edges, you would have seen like the cap. So that's why I didn't do that. So I'm also styling the hair in this video, but basically I'm just doing 4 braids up front and then I'm curling the hair. So I don't have to really talk about that as much. You can kind of just watch and see what I'm doing. But I just wanted to kind of just talk more about my edges and what I mean. I could have did like the balding cap method, which I do, but I don't apply it all the way down to cover all of my edges, because when I had put the cap on originally, like, you can see that it wasn't going to come down far enough from my hairline. So that's why I did leave out my edges, which you will see later on. And I still have the bald cap method on, which I have a bunch of videos showing how to do a bald cap and all that whatnot. So I just decided to leave my edges out because it just was gonna look horrible if I didn't. Like, you would have seen the cap coming out through the lace and it would have just been a hot mess, and I would have had to try to keep pulling the wig down all different types of ways. So I'm like, you know what, let me just make a video showing you guys how to install a wig with glue and everything and still leaving your edges out and not getting any product on your glue. Not getting any glue on your edges. So we're gonna get into that next once I finish curling my hair. And after I braided it, I just went in with some heat protectant. So that's why you kind of see like smoke coming out, is because it's been sprayed with the heat protectant. And I'm just taking a wand and I'm just curling the entire head. Alright, you guys, so this is the wig all finished styling. Look at all the pretty curls. It just reminds me so much of like a natural texture, blown out and then curled. So I think that's why I really like this wig, because it looks very realistic of natural hair. So now I'm just placing the wig on and I'm just getting it to fit properly on my head, as you guys can see. So this is here where you can see more of what I'm talking about in reference to the cap and my edges being out. So I apply the glue like normal up front, and then for the sides I only apply it on the cap. As you see, it's not going on any skin, any hair, nothing. It's literally just going right on top of the cap, and we're doing that on both sides of the hair so that my edges are not touched, nothing of that sort. And then I go in with something flat and I smooth out the glue. I'm not going in depth on this because I have a lot of wig tutorials already, but I'm just showing you for low hairlines, you want to only apply the glue right onto your cap so you don't get anything on your edges. And then again, you go ahead and you blow dry it on cold temperatures to make sure it's all dried. And then you go ahead and stick your lace on. So I did 2 layers of the glue. You can do up to 5, I believe. But yeah, once you apply it on and get everything all stuck onto the glue, this step right here I feel like is very important. I don't think I talk about it enough in my other videos, but you definitely want to work the glue in with your comb. So I feel like this is how you get a longer hold with glues. You definitely want to work the glue in into the lace with the comb and dry it at the same time. This definitely is an important step to help your lace wigs last longer. So now I'm just going in and I'm styling my baby hairs. And to style them, I just use some foaming mousse. I feel like it's easier to work with the edges on lace fronts. And it might take a little bit. A lot of swooping got to go on to get those baby hairs to lay exactly how you want them to. And once you do finally get them all laid, then you're going to go in with a nice silk scarf or any of the wrap strips that they have, and you want to wrap your hair, leave it on for about like 10-15 minutes to make sure everything is all dry. And once you have it on and you let it sit for that time, then you're going to take it off and everything should be pretty much laid. So then, so now I'm gonna let you guys see up close what this method looks like. It looks so realistic because I have, my own edges out and I don't have to make any baby hairs on the side. So I feel like this is really helpful for people with low hairlines, or even if you want to just try leaving your own edges out. I feel like it gives you a more realistic look. So I'm just letting the curls out, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some more jewels, and that's pretty much going to be it for this tutorial. I really love this wig. I feel like it looks so natural, and like it just mimics my own hair if I were to have like blown it out and curled it. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.